I want to start off by showing you guys a few of the Metro 2 codes that I found to be more effective when I use them in my disputes. So I'll go over a few of these. I'm going to put this link for free on my website in case you're self-disputing and you feel like you want to use it. It'll be there. By the time this video airs, it'll be there. Okay, so account not mine. Of course, that one is all too well known out here because there's so much fraud going on. So that Metro 2 code is 112, used when the account does not belong to the consumer. Okay, so fraudulent account. There's a difference between an account not being yours and it being fraudulent in the credit world, because mistakenly the credit bureaus can put something on your credit report that doesn't belong to you. It may belong to another Tina Frazier. You know, there's more than one name of yours that's out there. So fraudulent account is Metro 2 code 24. Now keep in mind now, I'm not using the Metro 2 fields like base segment character field 12, base segment character field 14. Those are the fields. It goes deeper than that. We're getting into the actual coding of Metro 2 right now, which I found is more effective than just disputing using the Metro 2 fields. So inaccurate balance is Metro 2 code 208. Inaccurate account status is code 78. Re-aging account is code 96, used when the creditor has illegally re-aged the account to make it appear newer than it is. So this is a really effective one when you find re-aged accounts, like with the collections. That's really good with that one. Incorrect date of delinquency. It goes on. Inaccurate high credit or credit limit. It's code 68. Unauthorized charges is code 26. Inaccurate late payment reporting is code 59, used when late payments are inaccurately reported on the account. Now, just wanted to go briefly over that and kind of just skim through it for you. Like I said, this will be on the website. So what I want to do is show you how. But the purpose of the video is for me to show you exactly how I use this coding and incorporate it in my dispute letters to get best results. So here we go. So here's a sample account that we will be creating a dispute letter for using the Metro 2 code. So as you can see, this is a collection / charge off, meaning it's a charged off account. And this is how it's reporting. So I've created a letter to dispute this charge off using Metro 2 code. So I want to be really specific here. So I'm basically in my letter, I'm calling out all the different fields and all these things. So I have a bunch of stuff listed here. So real quick, I want to just go over it with you for a bit here. I am writing to dispute inaccurate information that is being reported on my credit report by WebBank / Fingerhut. Please find below the details on the account in question. And as you can see in the subject, I did start my letter out saying exactly what the account number was and why I was disputing. So that's something that you can do too. In fact, you should do it so they know what account you're disputing. Okay, so I have the account type, like I have everything. This is not, now where I start with the account type and naming things all the way down to the date of last payment, this is not me correctively listing this. What I'm doing is basically putting in exactly what they have over here on this credit report, be it inaccurate or not. I want them to see how it's showing up on my credit report, how they're reporting it. So I'm literally copying verbatim exactly what they have listed over here, as you can see. Like derogatory account status, date open 3/4/2015, as you can see over here on the sample report. They're reporting it 3/4/2015. Everything is the same. So after I'm done listing that, what I'm saying here is, after viewing my credit report, I have identified several inaccuracies regarding this account. I am requesting an investigation into the following issues and the necessary corrections as per Fair Credit Reporting Act and CDIA. Here is where you're going to see the different Metro 2 codes and how I'm calling this stuff out. Inaccurate account status. Inaccurate, sirens are going off. Okay, so Inaccurate account status, Metro 2 code 78. This account is listed as derogatory. However, this account was settled and paid in full on, and then I'll put the date. This should be reflected as paid or settled in full. This account should report as paid and settled in full and not derogatory. Okay, and the next one, incorrect payment status, Metro 2 code 99. This account is marked as collection/charge-off, but it was settled and paid in full. The payment status should be updated to settled or paid. Okay, so we know here with the payment status, let's find payment status over here. Payment status, they're saying that it's collection/charge-off. So per Metro 2 code. Okay, next, incorrect date of first delinquency, Metro 2 code 82. And I'm not going to read everything out to you as far as what, I'm not going to read the rest out to you, but we have account purchased by lender, Metro 2 code 94, incorrect high credit amount, Metro 2 code 68. Now, okay, the high amount reported is 1567, which is inaccurate. Please verify and correct the high credit amount. And then some more verbiage here of, the supporting documentation that I'm going to send in. Now, with Metro 2, when I do my codings, for purposes of this video only, I have here the information here where it says account status and incorrect payment status. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back and delete this because I only needed it there so that you could see exactly what I am referring to. We're not going to help out the person or system that gets the information from the credit bureaus by telling them what the code is, because the goal for this letter is to have them do the research and figure out what code is. A lot of times when I send letters in like this, they get sent over to a human being, which is what I want them to do, and the human being has to find out what codes this is so they can see exactly, what I'm saying here. And so I'll deleted that. And so all of that verbiage is deleted. And now here is going to be the finished letter. As you can see, it's not a very long letter. Again, it doesn't have to be or need to be to get the point across. So here it is, cut and dry, Metro 2 codes, and this is going to get some good results. Now, the main thing that I'm going for this specific account is that I want the account status to be changed from derogatory to reported as paid. I want the payment status to change from collection charge-off and report as just paid or current. They can say whatever it is positive, but mainly we want to say, paid. And pretty much that's it, and that charged off account no longer looks negative. It just looks like a positive account once we get them to update everything correctly using our Metro 2 codes. So I hope this video helped you. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments. And if you have any questions, of course, leave them as well. If you have in-depth questions that will take long answered, I highly suggest you book a free consultation or send me an email or something of that sort. So until the next video, we will talk soon. Bye.